Hi, I'm Jerome Smith. I've been getting a lot of questions about R454B. So let's go over some of its characteristics, things to consider when installing the new Series 2 A2L equipment, and references on where to find further information. R454B is a blend of two refrigerants. You may be familiar with R32, which makes up 68.9% of R454B. The other refrigerant in R454B is R454YF, which makes up the remaining 31.1% of the refrigerant. It performs similar to 410A, which will minimize the number of adjustments contractors will have to make when working with the new equipment. One reason NGH decided to go with R454B is because it has a lower GWP than R32. R454B is the lowest GWP replacement for R410A. That being said, R454B is an A2L refrigerant, which means it is mildly flammable. Because of this, there are new considerations that services need to know. Always refer to the installation instructions before arriving at your job site. You can also check out our tip on installation considerations regarding A2L refrigerant on EdgeTek.com. Our goal is to make this transition as smooth as possible for our contractors. Remember, making the world breathe easier is our commitment to you.